Want to get a six-pack in just 3 minutes? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the realm of abs, myths, and everything in between. First off, let's debunk a common myth. You can't sculpt a six-pack in just 3 minutes. However, you can certainly start your journey towards that goal in that time. It's about consistency, dedication, and yes, a bit of sweat and effort. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Step 1. Master the art of planking. No, not the viral trend from a few years back, but the core strengthening exercise. Hold your body up in a push-up position, supporting yourself on your forearms and toes while keeping your back straight. Start with 20 seconds and gradually increase your time. This exercise engages your entire core and helps sculpt those abs. Step 2. Try out the bicycle crunch. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your knee and opposite elbow together in a twisting crunch. Alternate sides, and remember to keep it slow and controlled. It's not a race, it's about engaging those muscles. Step 3. Diet matters. You've heard it before. Abs are made in the kitchen. It's true, your diet plays a crucial role in revealing your six-pack. Incorporate lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And hey, why not throw in a cheat day once in a while? Step 4. Consistency is key. You can't expect to see results after one workout. Make these exercises a part of your daily routine and gradually increase the intensity as you build strength. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a six-pack. To summarize, start with planking, add in bicycle crunches, eat healthily, hydrate, and be consistent. It might not be as quick as 3 minutes, but with dedication and consistency, you're well on your way to achieving those AB goals. Remember, the journey to a six-pack is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So roll out that exercise mat, tie up those workout shoes, and get ready to embark on your abs journey. Until next time, sweat, smile, repeat.